Hello everyone. So today we will see the remote environment monitoring system. So what is remote environment monitoring system? So previously we took the environment data, that is the temperature and humidity, and displayed it on our LCD. But here only thing is, for an example, if I want to observe the humidity and temperature of certain place, I want to know what is the humidity and temperature of my room, so I need to place the device on my room, and after that whenever I want to know, I need to go to my room, look at that LCD, then only I get to know what is the temperature and humidity. So it is not quite a convenient way, right? So now we are gonna make this system in a such a way that, for an example, any person put the device in any room or anywhere wherever he want to observe the environmental data like temperature and humidity, so he can get that data from internet only. Okay, so for this purpose, today we are gonna see and use the Arduino IoT cloud. So what will happen? We will create one dashboard on Arduino IoT cloud, and any person log into that particular dashboard, then he can see that environmental data. And even in the better way, in LCD display we can just show the numbers, but here we will use the gauges and the graphical way to show that same data. So I hope you understood the project. Now let's start building it. So we all know this is ESP8266 node MCU module, and this is my DHT11, that is digital humidity and temperature sensor. So now let's quickly do the connections. We all are aware of the pins of DHT11, that is the VCC, data and ground. So let's make the connections quickly. Now first of all I will connect VCC, that is the first pin, to 3-volt pin in ESP8266 module. Here I hope you can see written 3-volt 3V. So done. Now let's connect the data pin. So data pin I am connecting to the GPIO13. So GPIO13 in board, it is written as D7. So here you can see the D7 just beside it. Okay, data pin is also connected. Now let's connect the ground pin. So here I took the pin from the ground pin of DHT11. Here you can see the G symbol. G indicate the ground. So now let's connect this ground to ground. That's it. Our connections are completely done. So now let's see how to set up the Arduino IoT cloud and how to upload a code in our node MCU module, so that we can get our environment data from anywhere, anytime. Okay, so now let's quickly jump onto the system and let's see. So once we made the circuit, now let's jump onto the software part. So software part include setting up the Arduino IoT cloud and the code. So you need to just follow the steps. If you are doing this first time, it could be confusing, but believe me, it is pretty easy once you are done once or twice. Okay. So First of all, I am open my Chrome, and here in URL bar, I will type cloud.arduino.cc. So once I am done that, I will just sign in. So here it will ask the option. So I will select using Google. Okay. Now I am signed in. Now I need to click on this get start button. So once this is done, what I need to utilize? I want to utilize IoT cloud. So let me click on IoT cloud. So it is opening. Great. If it is your first time, you will see this screen. Now let's create the theme. So let's give the name environment. Say environment free system. Great. Now I need to do some things. First of all, in environment monitoring system, what I am doing, I am taking the temperature and humidity data from my surrounding, and I am displaying it in Arduino IoT cloud. So let's add the variable. So for the temperature, I would need one variable. So let's give the name temperature only. Okay. And here in the variable type, okay, it is special character. So I can't give the name directly temperature. So let's capitalize the T, we did help. Okay, no, it is still not. So I temperature, uh, let's say T1. Okay. Now let's select the variable type. The special character also is not there. So I will do temperature 01. Okay. So now let's select the type. So in type, I will select the floating point number. Okay. So I am just reading the temperature, correct? So it is read only. And as well as I am checking the temperature periodically instead of on change. So let's keep it periodic. Let's keep it 1 second only. Add variable. Okay, variable is added. Now let's add second variable. Our second variable is humidity. So humidity, call it 01 also. And I need it as a floating point number. It is also read only. I need to check it periodically. Okay, great. Both of our variable is like set it up. So now I need to associate it with the device. So let's select the device. Okay, there is no device. Let's set up the new device. So I am using the third party device, that is ESP8266. Okay, so let's select that. Here it came ESP8266. In this, I need to select generic ESP8266 module. So okay, let's give the name monitoring device. Monitoring. Okay. Device. Good. Now let's just click on next. So here it will ask to save the secret key. Okay, so first, see, we can't get secret key again and again, so it is pretty important. I need to download the secret key, so let me just download it. Okay, I downloaded it. I copy also, and I will paste it in my notepad here. Okay, so let's I saved my secret key. Continue. There. After that, I need to link it to my network, right? So let me give you my network name. So my network name is standard 4.4G. Password. I'm putting my password. You put your password. And here is my secret key. Let's save it. Good, great. Our device is ready. Now we need to do some things on code. So let's open it in full editor. Okay. So this is my code. I need to add some things here. So first of all, I'm using DHT11 sensor, correct? So let me just include the library of DHT11 sensor. Just I include uh, DHT.h. No need to worry, actually, you will get this code. Okay, you will get this code. So no need to worry. So I'm telling DHT, I'm defining the class pin number 13, and D0 is pin number 13. And here the type of DHT device is DHT11. Done, great. Now let's move to the setup part. Here I will do DHT dot begin. Great. So now let's, what will happen here? It already created two variables, float humidity and float temperature. So I can directly use this variable. Okay, here let me do it. Float humidity is equal to float, what was that function? DHT dot uh, read humidity, correct? Read humidity. And our second variable is temperature, right? So I will do temperature is equal to float dht dot read temperature. Temperature. Okay. So now this code is done. Okay. So now let's just download this sketch like this. Okay. It will download the sketch. Now we need to extract this sketch. So let's extract it. So I will select download. You can extract anywhere you want. Okay, it is extracted. I will just open up the sketch by going to that location. Okay. So I open the sketch. So inside the sketch, what you need to do, you need to go to the Arduino secret. Here you need to put your SSID, that is your Wi-Fi ID. So that was Xander 2.4G. It is for me. Yours will be different. Okay. And here my password. This is actually my mobile number. I can't show you my original password. And the device secret key. So we saved it, correct? That was the reason we saved it. So let's just copy it and paste it here. Okay, good, great. Now let's compile it. Let me connect my ESP8266 board to my system. And generate and done. Let's compile it. I am not uploading it right now. I didn't show you the dashboard. So from where it should be reside. Okay. So I will show you first the dashboard. And one more thing is THT should be in capital. Okay. This is what I wanted to bring. So now let's first design the dashboard. After that, we will see how to upload it. Okay. So here again, let's go to the Arduino cloud, here to the dashboard. I don't have the dashboard. Let's build the dashboard. Let's give the name in environment. Bring dashboard. Okay. So here names is added. Let's add first of all for humidity. Let's add the percentage. Okay. So let's link the variable. We created the humidity variable, right? So let's link it. Let's give the name humidity in percentage. Give symbol. Like this. Done. Now let's add one gauge. Yes, this gauge for the temperature. So name should be temperature in C Celsius. Okay. Let's link the variable that is the temperature. Link done. So I can adjust the layout of this thing like this, like this. Let's go to the top. Let's make it somewhat bigger. Okay, looking good. Here, let's make it a little bit. Okay, looking good. Done. Okay, so here our dashboard is done. Now let's upload our code. So for uploading the code, again go to Arduino IDE. Here I already selected the port and code. Let's hit on the upload button. And it's compiling. Okay, connecting it, start uploading. Okay, uploaded. Let's watch the serial monitor connected to the connected to 4G. Okay, this is my ping ID. Okay, it is connected. Now let's jump onto the dashboard. So you can see this is my temperature and this is my humidity. It is showing me in real time. So now if I disconnect my device also from my system, and if I connect it to any other power source also, it will perfectly work. And as well as you can access this data from your mobile devices also. You need to just download the app, Arduino IoT Cloud app, and log in with the same email what you have logged in here, and you will find the same data there also. So now you can remotely monitor your environmental data. That is, wherever your device is placed, that environment data you can remotely monitor. So I hope you enjoyed this and you learned how to set up the Arduino cloud, how to like create the dashboards, things, variables, and how to make the remote environment monitoring system. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.